Hey guys, it's Peter Nukasani, and I wanted to make a quick video with another travel hack. So this one is one that I use. It's called Priceline VIP. So Priceline has this program, or it's like a loyalty program, where if you use their app or you sign up for this VIP thing, which is free, the more trips that you take, you actually get a lot of perks. So for example, like when I'm traveling to different conferences or whatever, I'll be staying in hotels and sometimes the hotels or Airbnbs, but whenever I'm booking a hotel for a conference or anywhere that I travel, I'm always booking hotels. And the thing is, if you change and book on random websites each time, you're not building loyalty anywhere. So I've signed up for Priceline VIP, I think a year or two ago, and now I'm on the gold tier. So basically, first of all, you get discounts on the same hotels that you would stay at. Like they have luxury hotels or like, normal hotels or whatever you want to call it. But you get a lot of like points and perks for being a gold member. And you can just simply sign up for this. And then eventually, if you take enough trips, they'll get you to platinum, which comes with even more benefits. So like, for example, all the stuff that they mention here. So yeah, this is a great free program for you to take advantage of. You could stay at the same hotel, nothing changes, and you end up getting the best price for it usually. So this one it's great. And also another thing is if you sign up for Priceline VIP and then you log in with the mobile app, you actually get even crazier savings, and there's like mobile only deals. So yeah, I wanted to share this because a lot of us probably travel and we book hotels, but this is a way for you to get more benefits, and you could stay at any hotel that you want. As I mean, most of the hotels that I've wanted to stay at, Priceline has them. So yeah, it's a great program. It's free, and it's been a little hack that has saved me a ton over the years.